Hi, last time I showed you how to make the ads initializer and interstitial ads. In this video I'm gonna show you quick how to make the banner and rewarded ads. So let's back to the initializer. If you wanna check how to make it, see the last video. And for this case, you will need to add rise field for the banner ads. And just make sure on the initialization you need to load the banner. And when you go to the banner script, if you need any of the script, just leave a comment. I will post you all a script in the comments. So you need to make banner position, and you can choose if you want it bottom left, right, middle, center, and where you want. I'll show in the moment how we can change it as well in the inspector, but I prefer always write it in the code here. And then on the advertisement banner set position, you will have the banner position you set up. And when the banner is loaded, you wanna show the banner ad. And in the banner ad, you have methods callback, like whenever someone click the banner, hide callback and show callback on the banner show. And here in the advertisement banner show, you call the ads ID, and you get the ads ID from the ads initializer, where you have the strings name for the Android game ID and the iOS game ID, which you put in your inspector. So just write the Android ID for your game and the iOS ID for your game. And initializer, just make sure you add the banner ads, so it can call the banner class and load the banner. So this is how it's look in the game. You can see on the left corner here, that will be the position for the banner. And when you play the game, so it's on the left bottom corner, and it's gonna be display on the phone. And if you go for the banner ads, you can see you can choose any of the position you want. And you see it's now on the center. So you can change it here, or you can change it in the code. And now it's on the right corner, so that's the easy way to change the position. It all depends from the game application makes, it's not cover some UI elements. And now let's go for the rewarded ads. So I have like two different rewards. So one with the coins and other one give the speed in that game. But that depends what you have in your. So let's quick have a look on the initializer. Always remember to call your script with the rewards and load the ads in the initialization. So then the ads will be ready to show. And here on Unity ads show complete. So whenever the ads is finished, watch it. You wanna insert here the reward for the user. So you can just make simple method reward the user, and I add like condition, and I just make it like on the beginning it's false. And whenever you show the ads, I change the bool for true. So then when it's true, you just find the, in my case, like UI control and add the rewards. So in that case, if I remember well, it's 100 coins, then I change it to false and close the panel with the ads. So you call that on the Unity ads show complete, and after that you also load another ads to be ready for the next reward. And now when you go to the ads initializer, you need to as well just add that line here. So now when you play the game, you can see it's like one of it's for the coins and one is for the speed. So I just show for the coins. So you see, just play it, it's ads ready, and after it's closed, you add 100 coins to the game. So that's the way how you make the rewarded ads for your game. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're interested, check others videos from my channel. See you next time. Cheers.